Hello friend, introducing my name is Alvina Damayanti, absent for class 11 TJKT 2. Here I will explain one of the working equipment at TKJ, namely the Rj45 Connector. The Rj45 connector is a connector commonly used on standard Ethernet network. One example of its use is the LAN local area network, network topology, or other types of network topologies. RJ standard for register check, where register check itself is a network security standard that focuses on cable security and installation of connector heads. Its function is to connect two or more network equipment, be it the type of computer network, computer networking, or the type of communication equipment, telephone check. On the Rj45 connector, we can 5 egg pins. For the location of these egg pins, their positions are separate so we can see it if we observe in detail the end of the Ethernet cable. In this connector, egg separate types of pins each with its own characteristic. They will also come in different colors and squares. In the Rj45, there are 4 wires that are decided in solid colors and the other 4 wires have a striped pattern. We can find the use of Rj45 connectors on several types of cable. Among them are UTP, unshielded twisted pair, and CTP, side twisted pair cables. Function 1. Simplify the process of moving cables to be routed from one network to other. 2. Avoid the risk of getting an electric shock that comes from the device. 3. Detect if there is data damage or troubleshooting when data is sent. 4. Each part of the Rj45 has its own function and use. Ways of working. The way the Rj45 connector works is that it is used as a connector on a Ethernet cable network. Ethernet itself is a communication network that was created to help several computers to connect to each other. In the Rj45 connector, we will find a copper which will be connected to the UTP cable. Inside the connector, there are 2 types of connectors, namely Cat4 and Cat6. Cat4 is a connection type that allows for wired connection to internet, whereas in Cat6 there are only 6 cables that are connected and will later be used to transfer data. In the data transfer process, actually only 4 cables are needed, while the rest will be used if other cables require repair. But there are times when connection also requires the role of all the cables in the connector. Bridge. The bridge of the Rj45 connector is around 90,000. This is information about work equipment in the TKJ file, so the conclusion is Rj45 connector is a connector that is widely used in Ethernet network types. In this connector, there are 8 copper which will be connected to the cable where each copper to be arranged has a default color configuration. See you for watching the video. Hope it's useful. See you in the next video. Bye bye.